Hi everybody, my name is Sophia Beatty. I am from Rapid City, South Dakota, and I'm really excited to put on this little mini concert for you as part of the Sounds from Home project. Today I've got a bunch of original music for you. Some things I have played before, others I have not, but I hope you enjoy all of them. This first one I'm going to start with is actually on Spotify right now if you want to go check it out. It's called You Should Know Better, and it's just a typical breakup song. I hope you enjoy it.
If you don't know me by now, then you're in for a shock, 'cause I told you I don't like it when you lie and you try to deny the fact that you need me here to keep it sober. Saying that you don't care if it was over. I'm getting off your crazy roller coaster, 'cause I should know better, yeah, I should know better than to let you think that you deserve my heart. How could you if you're tearing it apart? I should have known better from the start. Yeah. You say living you is going to be hard, but you should know better than that. You should know better, yeah, you should know better than that. You should know better, yeah, you should know better than to kiss, hold me, try to make me believe you cared. 'Cause if you did, I really don't think we would even be here. You've been busy falling for it and loving on things that aren't me, and I'm tired of holding on to something wrong. You should know better, baby, than to go and think that you deserve my heart. How could you if you're tearing it apart? Oh, I should have known better from the start. Yeah. You say living you is going to be hard, but you should know better than that. You should know better, yeah, you should know better than that. I hate to know I had to lie to get you here. You know that's something I don't like to do. We promised each other we'd be together forever, but I guess I'm bringing my promise to you. You seem to think that you deserve my heart. How could you if you're tearing it apart? Oh, I should have known better from the start. You say living you is going to be hard, but you should know better than that. You should know better, yeah, you should know better than that. You should know better than You should know better, yeah, you should know better than that.
Alrighty, so once again, yeah, you can find that one on Spotify. It's my first single ever. I plan on redoing it sometime soon, maybe recreating it because it's not quite what I wanted it to be. So stay tuned for that. Also, if you'd like to follow me on social media and see what I'm up to next and all the singles I'm going to drop soon, you can follow me at Sophia Beatty Music, facebook.com/Sophia Beatty Music, or you can go to my website, sophiabeatty.com, and then you'll have all the links to my social media there. So yeah, one thing that a lot of people don't really know about me is I have this gift of synesthesia, which means I can hear colors. So I'll kind of tell you as we go what color each song is. The last one, You Should Know Better, that one's a pink and yellow one, and I decided to do another one of those too. This next one is pink as well, just because I'm in that kind of mood today. But yeah, I hope you enjoy it. This next one's called Purpose.
I'm putting it on, I know it's too soon, but my white flags up and I'm falling for you. I've never seen such colorful art. You'll never know how much you've changed my heart. I wanna know your Cause do you know that I'm missing your kiss? I've never felt like this, where you kiss me for the rest of my nights. You've been given a gift to make me smile like this. Will you use that gift for the rest of my life? You've got that purpose in my oh no. When I look at you, I just can't explain how you make me feel without doing anything. I'm scared of these words, but they need to be heard. I love you so much it hurts. I love how much it hurts. You need to know that I'm missing your kiss. I've never felt like this. Will you kiss me for the rest of my nights? You've been given a gift to make me smile like this. Will you use the gift for the rest of your life? You got that purpose in my eyes. You need to know with the way you hold me tight. I've been given this gift. Oh, I pray you use it, 'cause I want you for the rest of my life. You got that purpose in my eyes. You need to know, you need to know. You need to know, you need to know. You need to know, you
Alrighty, before I start my next song, I just wanted to thank everybody that put the Sounds from Home project together. I really appreciate it, and I think a lot of musicians do, especially during this time. I know it's been rough for everybody financially, but you know, we're obviously not getting shows or able to do the things we normally do too. So thank you so much for the opportunity, and I hope that this spreads a little bit of joy to everybody. I feel like music is the thing that's keeping a lot of people happy right now. So this next song is called Leavin', and yeah, I hope you enjoy it.
You've said enough, babe, don't say another word. 'Cause you're not listening, I already heard. Excuse for last night, the lines they all sound good. The truth is what I've heard. I've been good to you. I've never left your side, no matter what. Never been enough. I've been true to you. Never lied about a thing. So what am I to do? This isn't love. So I'm leaving. I'm tired of waiting in this line. I'm leaving. I've done my job now. I've resigned. I think I'm leaving. You just wasted all my time. I said I'm leaving. I'm leaving you behind. Strive, crying rivers now that I'm about to leave. You're making a mess that I don't want to clear. If I'm not clear, then let me tell you what I mean. I'm over you, so please don't cause a scene. I've been good to you. I've never left your side, no matter what I do. It's never been enough. I've been true to you. Never lied about a thing. So what am I to do? This isn't love. So I'm leaving. I'm tired of waiting in this line. I'm leaving. I've done my job now. I'll resign. I think I'm leaving. You just wasted all my time. I said I'm leaving. I'm leaving you behind. There's no way this is love. There's no way this is love. There's no way this is love.
right, so that last one, like I said, was called Leaving. That's red and yellowish color. This next one is called Join the Club. This one I have played a little bit before. I wrote it as a teenager, and it's about my struggle with depression. The colors are green and yellow, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this one. Also, before I head out, I wanted to re-thank everybody that is involved with making this Sounds from Home project happen. I think it is really awesome, and I really appreciate you. So thank you, and yeah. Once again, my name is Sophia Beatty. You can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. You can find all those links on my website, sophiabeatty.com. Thank you so much for joining me.
Feel me? Can you get what I say? Can you not see how I got this way? Know my dreams under most spell. You see, our crew, we don't play those games. What we do is hidden under an not that we've been through. Can't you tell? We hold our breaths underwater. Some of us fight, living is harder, but we are. It's not enough to hear what I said. Let me show you how I get through the day. I just stand and make fun night shirt and make my escape. If you want it, then don't you listen. You're here to find strength. What's that they say? Depression's eating your heart, but you'll be okay. We hold our breaths underwater. Some of us fight, living is harder. So
Thank you so much, everybody. Have an amazing night.